Which organ functions after death? Brain. What is the cleanest part of the human body? Eye. What is the hormone of pleasure? Dopamine. What is the hardest part of the human body? Teeth. What is the main muscle used for breathing? Diaphragm. What is asthma? Respiratory disease. Which hormone regulates blood sugar levels? Insulin. What is the outer layer of the skin called? Epidermis. Which organ filters toxins from the blood? Liver. What are the bones in your wrist called? Carpals. What makes blood red? Hemoglobin. Which organ produces digestive enzymes? Pancreas. What is the largest bone in the human body? Femur. What is the smallest bone in the human body? Stapes. Which part of the brain controls balance? Cerebellum. Which part of the eye adjusts its shape to focus light? Lens. What protects the lungs and heart? Ribs. Which organ cannot be donated? Brain cannot be donated. Which organ stores urine? Bladder. Which organ never stops functioning? Heart. Which system do the kidneys belong to? Urinary system. How many ribs does the human body have? 24 ribs. Which organ pumps blood through the body? Heart. What are the three layers of the heart called? Epicardium, myocardium, endocardium. What is the only part of the human body that has no blood supply? Cornea. How is the transport of substances in the body carried out? The circulatory system. Where exactly in the human body is bile stored? Gallbladder. What part of the human body has the thinnest skin? Eyelids. Which of these structures in the human body contains no bones? Nose. What is the correct medical term for the collarbone? Clavicle. What part of the human body doesn't burn in fire? Teeth. What organ of the human body is used the most? Brain. Which part of the human body doesn't change in size from birth? Eyes. What is the rarest blood type? Golden blood. What is the dirtiest part of the human body? Belly button. Which system does the liver belong to? Digestive. Which organ is responsible for cleaning the blood? Kidneys. What part of the human body heals the fastest? Tongue. Which side of the lung is larger? Right. Which organ has the ability to regenerate? Liver. Which vitamin is obtained through the sun? Vitamin D. Which parent is responsible for a child's sex? Father. Which blood type is the universal donor? O negative. Which body part controls all functions? Brain. How many teeth are there in a full adult set? 32. What is the average number of heartbeats per minute in adults? 60 to 100 heartbeats per minute. How many bones are there in the human hand? 27 bones. Which is the strongest muscle in the human body? Jaw, masseter, muscle. How much saliva, spit, does your mouth make each day? 1 liter. How much air can the average person's lungs hold? 6 liters.